The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Designed to perform. Almost every exterior detail unique to the Z06 serves a purpose for aerodynamics, handling, or cooling, with styling cues that all accentuate the car's sense of motion. Suspension tuning. The Z06 is engineered with specific suspension tuning, including magnetic ride control, larger brakes, which contributes to making the 2023 Corvette Z06 the most track-capable Corvette ever. Rear spoiler. The Z06 comes standard with a rear spoiler that has adjustable features and elements designed to improve the high-speed stability and cornering capabilities on the racetrack. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.